Fun facts about the U.S. states. First, Alaska is the largest state, yet it has the lowest population density. In contrast, Rhode Island is the smallest by area, but has the longest official name. Alabama was the first place in America to launch the rocket that sent humans to the moon. On scorching days in Arizona, fry an egg right on the pavement. Moving on to Arkansas, this is the only state in the U.S. where you are allowed to dig for diamonds and take them home. If California were a country, it would have the 5th largest economy in the world. Colorado enjoys an average of 300 days of sunshine each year. Connecticut is where the hamburger was invented. Delaware was the first state to ratify the U.S. Constitution, 1987. Florida experiences more hurricanes than any other state. Speaking of Georgia, it is also the birthplace of Coca-Cola. Hawaii is the only all-island state and has the highest cost of living. Idaho grows more than 1/3 of America's potatoes. Illinois is associated with both Abraham Lincoln. Indiana is known as the basketball state. In Iowa, there are more pigs than people. Kansas is the geographic center of the continental United States. Kentucky is the birthplace of KFC fried chicken. Louisiana is famous for New Orleans, the birthplace of jazz. Maine is America's lobster capital. Maryland is where the U.S. national anthem was first sung. Massachusetts is home to Harvard, the world-renowned university and the oldest in the country. Michigan has more shoreline along the Great Lakes than California and Florida combined. Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes. Mississippi is the birthplace of blues music. Missouri is the home of Budweiser beer. In some parts of Montana, cows outnumber people 2 to 1. Each year, thousands of migrating cranes arrive in Nebraska. In Nevada, 80% of the land belongs to the federal government. New Mexico is where the first atomic bomb was tested. New Hampshire is the first state to hold a presidential primary. In New Jersey, Edison's first light bulb shone. New York has the busiest intersection in the world. North Carolina is where the world's first flight took place. Ohio, known as the mother of presidents. In Oklahoma, people are more accustomed to tornado sirens than birdsong. Oregon is the only state where self-service gas pumping is prohibited. Pennsylvania is the chocolate capital of America. South Carolina is where the Civil War began. South Dakota is home to Mount Rushmore. Tennessee is the birthplace of country music and the heart of rock and roll. Texas is a paradise of BBQ and cowboy culture. Utah is the center of the Mormon faith. Washington is the birthplace of Starbucks and Microsoft. Virginia is the cradle of American history. West Virginia is the only state created by splitting off from another.